Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hagabay day but kajingtmu jong ba Vincent H. Pala ubade president jong ka MPCC banmi Nakhmat ban Ïakhun ka election MLA house nam arajar arpulai ulong ubakloy banmi Nakhmat ban Ïakhun ka election namarkumu president usngo ba uday ban Ïalam na Nakhmat banong kum unuksa yaki weipan ulong ba watla ukemen banong kum UMP Henry Uderu ban pet kham sajungai ban ulong ba kajing Ïakhun jong u ya ka election kam day ba ukwa tang ma umarway Henry ga deru ga jing yaman nang jong baro kinong Ïalam bat kinong kit kam kibadan hapo kaseng.
I'm preparing to fight election because I thought that, as a president, I should lead from the front. So that who should be a chief minister, that normally a party, we don't decide before the election. But I'm fighting election because I thought that I should lead from the front and I should set an example. Though I'm very happy to be an MP, but at the same time, we have to look also at the state. So my decision to fight election is not my decision alone. All my friends suggested to me that you should also fight an election.
Ba Vincent H. Palau loong ba kaseng kalapan kre ban lumlut yagi sabut kibabyang kenang bansay madan yaki kambam sap jong ka sarkar MDA. Shu loong ru ba kaseng kan sasami ki kotling kudam bala tholut ya ka jingko tray kam jong ka sarkar MDA syaki pat ba ka jilla anda lapan banaya ka election kaban sa long house nam arhajar arpulai hapo ka jilla.
We already set a committee on manifesto, set a committee on all different issues. I think normally all these charge sheeted will be issued to the public once the election is set. So until unless the election is announced, we don't know when the elections will be there. So once the election is announced, then activities to release all the charge sheet will be there. As of now, we are aware that the election will be normally in the month of February. So we are preparing ourselves. Today's meeting is part of the process of preparation for the coming election. There is a series of failure of the government. You tell us in law and order, you tell us in terms of gambling, the entire state, for the church is against the Gambling Act, but they still impose on it. And the corruptions you have seen, entire. Now, like I told you the other day, I think many of them have not got it, but you have seen that if you travel from here to Nakhmat, there's a series of gates run.